Today I am giving you a 100 marks challenge. Think of this as a real test. No skipping, no guessing. You will get a 5 question, each worth 20 marks. And your goal is simple. Solve them and comment your score at the end. Okay? Only a few people managed to score 100. So let's see who can. So are you ready for that? So focus on the question number 1. 8 plus 2 times 5 plus 5 divided by 5. Okay, so stop this video and comment your answer to get us 20 marks. Okay, now let's solve this question correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So according to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. In addition and subtraction also have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, first we have to solve this parenthesis. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So now the expression becomes 8 plus 2 times 10 divided by 5. Now we have one addition, one multiplication, and one division. So multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 2 multiply 10 is equal to 20. So the expression becomes 8 plus 20 divided by 5. Now we have one addition and one division. So first we have to solve this division. So 20 divided by 4 is equal 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So the expression becomes 8 plus 4. Now 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So our correct answer is 12, right? Now let's see the question number 2. Okay, also question number 2 is 20 marks. So now let's solve this question. So before I solve this question, first please stop the video and comment your answer. Okay, now let's solve by using a PEMDAS rule. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this multiplication. So 10 multiplied 2 is equal to 20. So the expression becomes 20 minus 20 plus 5. Now here we have one subtraction and one addition. And both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve subtraction. So 20 minus 20. So 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. So now we have expression 0 plus 5. Now 0 plus 5. So 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. And 5 is our correct answer, right? Now let's move on to question number 3. Okay. So here is the question. 30 divided by 3 multiply 2 plus 4 multiply 3. So now stop the video and comment your answer to score a 20 marks, right? So now let's solve this question by using a PEMDAS rule. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. So 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. So now the expression becomes 30 divided by 6 plus 4 multiply 3. Now here we have one division, we have one addition, and we have one multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So now first we have to solve this division. Okay, so 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. So now the expression becomes 5 plus 4 times 3. Now we have one addition and one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication. So 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12. So the expression becomes 5 plus 12. Now 5 plus 12 is equal to 17. So the correct answer is 17, right? Now let's move on to question number 4. Okay. So here is the question number 4. So please stop the video and comment your answer. Okay. To get a 20 marks. Now let's solve this question. So here is the question is 6 plus 3 square multiplied to minus 4, right? Now let's solve this question by using a PEMDAS rule. So first we have to solve this power, because according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis and then we have to solve exponents. So in this question we have no parenthesis. So first we have to solve this exponents 3 square, okay? So 3 square is equal to 9. So now the expression becomes 6 plus 9 times 2 minus 4. Now we have one addition, one multiplication and one subtraction, right? So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication. So 9 multiplied 2 is equal to 18. So now the expression becomes 6 plus 18 minus 4. Now we have one addition and one subtraction. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this addition. So 6 plus 18 is equal to 24. So the expression becomes 24 minus 4, right? Now 24 minus 4. So 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. So the correct answer is 20, right? Okay. Now let's see the final question, question number 5. So please see the final question very carefully, because this question is a most of all question. So now let's see the final question, question number 5. So please stop this video and comment your answer to score a 20 marks. Okay. Now let's see this question. 100 divided by 10 multiply 5 plus 5 multiply 2 plus 3. Now let's solve this question by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the expression becomes 100 divided by 10 multiply 5 plus 5 multiply 5. Now we have one division, one multiplication, one addition and one another multiplication. So division and multiplication both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, 100 divided by 10. So 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10. So the expression becomes 10 multiply 5 plus 5 multiply 5. Okay. Now again move from left to right. So 10 multiply 5. So 10 multiply 5 is equal to 50. So now the new expression is 50 plus 5 multiply 5. Now first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve addition. So 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25. So the expression becomes 50 plus 25. Now 50 plus 25 is equal to 75. So the correct answer is 75, right? So here is the all total 5 question is complete. So if you get this all question right, then comment your score 100 out of 100. Okay, and if you get 3 question right, then comment 20. How much score you get, please comment your score. Okay, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe MathX YouTube channel, and do not forget to share with your friends and family.